Drawing hands can be tricky, but with practice and a good step-by-step guide, you can improve. Here's a simple tutorial for beginners to help you draw a hand. Step-by-step guide. Basic hand shape. Start by drawing a simple rectangular block for the palm. The size of the block depends on how large you want the hands to be. This will be your hand's base structure. Draw a line through the center of the block to indicate where the fingers will attach, adding the rest. At the bottom of the palm block, draw two lines slightly angled down to create the rest. The rest should be narrower than the palm and connected by curved lines. Sketching the thumb. From the side of the palm, draw a C shape for the thumb. The base of the thumb will connect with the palm and the thumb will curve outward at an angle. Split the thumb into three sections with small guidelines. The first section should be the thickest part, followed by the two smaller sections as you move towards the tip. Drawing the fingers. Start with the middle finger. Draw four oval or simple shape that represent each segments of finger. The first oval is at the base attached to the palm. The second oval is slightly smaller than the first and located about the halfway of the finger. The third oval is the tip of the finger. Make sure to make it round to give the finger a natural shape. Repeat this for the remaining fingers. Index, ring, and pinky fingers. The pinky fingers will be the shortest and the index finger the second longest. Keep in mind that each finger's segment should slightly angled and curves towards the tip, connecting the fingers. Once the basic shapes are drawn, begin adding slight curve and make detail to the areas where the fingers meet the palm and each other. Draw curves to indicate where the knuckles bend and separate the fingers, giving the hand a more natural look. Detailing the knuckles and joint. Add subtle lines to show where the knuckles and finger joint bend. This will make the hand look more realistic. Refining the shape. Now, clean up your drawing by erasing any unnecessary lines, refining the curve of the fingers and wrist. If you want a more realistic look, you can add shading along the edges of the hand, where shadows naturally fall like the sides of the fingers and under the palm. Finishing touches. Add skin textures and nails. The nails on the fingers are generally smooth and oval-shaped, and you can draw them near the tips of each finger. Refine the shadow and any other details for a more lifelike effect.